Hello everyone and happy new year. So after eating a lot of meat, fats, carbs, protein, a lot of food like excess food this festive or holiday period, this is the best time you want to cleanse your colon. And so in this video I'll be sharing with you this very powerful colon cleanse which doubles up to burn excess fats you've consumed during this period so you can get back in shape, most especially having your organs to be in good state to function properly. It cleanses your liver, cleanses your organs so you can stay healthy. This is so yummy as well, and the best time to consume this is early morning on an empty stomach so no oil or food interrupts the cleansing process. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. So let's get into it. And voila! So in order to come up with our colon cleanse and fat burning smoothie, the first ingredient we'll be using will be cucumbers. Cucumbers are alkalizing to flush out toxins, waste from your system, forming a disease fighting barrier in your system as well against diseases and sicknesses. So you always have that clean and strong immunity to fight and combat diseases, having that clean system so you are always vibrant, healthy and energetic as well. It equally helps to hydrate your system so you can easily burn fats with enough energy, as well as it equally helps to cleanse your liver so your liver can be in good state to flush out excess waste and toxins from your system so you can get back in shape, plus a healthy system as well. So this is one cucumber sliced into some good sizes after being washed. So this is not zucchini, this is cucumber. This is English cucumber. It looks different, but it is still cucumber. The second ingredient I'll be using will be ginger. So ginger is very good at cleansing as well. It will cleanse your system. It is a very good anti-inflammatory to cleanse, debloat you and help your system to flush out all those toxins out of your system, burn excess fats from your system, because ginger is thermic, to heat up your system to burn excess fats you've eaten during this period. It helps to soften the excess protein, carbs you've eaten so your system can easily break it down for it to get out of your system without store up causing belly fat and weight gain. So that is why we are adding ginger in here for cleansing and to burn fats as well. So this is my ginger. You want to wash it and slice into some good sizes because we are making a smoothie, not juice. A smoothie is very good, so all these ingredients are really getting into your system in their concentrated forms, like with the fiber, very important. So yeah, this is it. You want to slice your ginger into some good sizes and voila, this is it. Like an inch of ginger, like just a tiny little bit of ginger, not too much. An inch of ginger is fine. So this is it. This is the second ingredient. The third ingredient I'll be using in here, you can use any green leafy vegetable of your choice, but I'll be using celery. Celery is very good at cleansing your skin cells as well, cleansing your colon, cleansing your organs, so they can all be in good state for you to live that healthy, clean life. It will cleanse and give you that healthy, fresh glow to your skin from the inside. Like, this is so healthy and nutrient dense with the good chlorophyll you need for your system. So if you don't have celery, you can use any other green leafy vegetable of your choice, like spinach, any other green leafy vegetables. They all contain that good chlorophyll for cleansing and to nourish your liver with those nutrients it needs to perform its job, like detoxing, cleansing your system, because this is to cleanse your liver and your colon. So this is it. I'll be using 3 stems of celery, washed and sliced, and I've washed these 2 ingredients again because hygiene is something you want to be very keen about, most especially if you want to live that healthy life so no germs or bacteria get into your system. So I'm just from rewashing after slicing. So these are my celery and my cucumber, and that is my ginger. So I'll be adding the middle of the pineapple. This middle of the pineapple contains high amount of bromelain. So what I want to do is Normally I use all of my pineapple. I use the peel, I use the pineapple fruit, the middle of the pineapple. So this is a lot. This is for so many functions. The peel, I use the peel for my weight loss drinks. Like, if you haven't watched any of such videos, ask me and I'll link you up. And I still keep sharing, so I don't throw my pineapple peel. I'll advise you to buy one pineapple so it performs so many like functions for you. The peel will help you if you want to lose some weight. You can just wash it up, store in your refrigerator, and I'll show you what to do with it. And this is the pineapple. I'll be using just the middle. So I'll be slicing the fruits at the sides for my smoothie for next time. But for this cleansing purpose, I'll be using the middle of the pineapple. Yeah, is it the core of the pineapple? I think so. So that is what I'll be using, the middle of the pineapple. It contains large amounts of bromelain. Bromelain helps to break down the toughest carbs and protein you've eaten, fats. It softens so your system can easily break it down and flush out of your system without store up, causing belly fat, weight gain. So you can be light and lose that bad excess waste in your system. So these are the ingredients: my pineapple, my ginger. Sorry, I'm so fast because I don't want to make my video so long. This is my cucumber and celery. You can use any other green leafy vegetable of your choice if you can't find celery. So I'm putting everything now in the blender to blend. This is my cucumber. This is my celery. So there are 4 ingredients. This is my ginger, an inch of ginger, and the middle of the pineapple. Very important. Please, you want to use fresh fruits if you really want to live a healthy life. I don't really find it really like funny when people tell me they will buy canned fruits when you can actually see the fresh ones at the supermarket. Why buy canned fruits when they have been like stored with preservatives, destroying all the bromelain you need? So you want to buy fresh pineapple because you need the peel as well. You need everything, so please make it fresh. And voila, this is the smoothie. You can share with your friend, your boyfriend, your husband, whoever you have. You just need a glass of this. You need one full glass of this, and you can share with whoever you have at home. This is so healthy, will cleanse your system, nourish your system. Your liver will thank you for this, your organs will thank you for this, because trust me, in order to live healthy, you need all these healthy foods in your system to nourish your organs so they can function properly for you to live that healthy life. Support your system to cleanse all those waste toxins out of your system is very important. Most importantly, burning fat and staying in shape is not just good to look good, but equally for your health, because obesity leads to hypertension, high blood pressure. You don't want to be obese. You want to always have that good size and weight, so you don't end up overweight and you start having all those health complications like hypertension, high blood pressure. Like, this is so nourishing, so healthy. You want to join me, my journey? I welcome you, and yeah, happy new year to you. Thank you for watching. I love you, and see you again in my next video. Bye. A bonne journée.